Hey friends, this is a quick look at the SR1 Lite from Cold Steel. This is in 8CR13 MOV, made in Taiwan, and it is a beast. I broke one of the screws off here trying to, well, I stonewashed the clip, and so putting it back on, I snapped a screw off. So it's fine. It still works for me. This is a lockback, and Demko, Andrew Demko designed this and the handle on this as well. If you look at some of his custom knives, you can see this handle design has been present there. So very comfortable. This is a huge, huge folding knife, just to put it in perspective. It is over, it's about 9 3/8 overall length, just under 9.5 inches. The blade is 4 1/8, depending on how you measure it. The actual cutting edge is under just around 4 inches. The lock back, it's triad lock, and you're able to flip it open pretty well, and you can drop it down on that finger and then close it, so you can use it one-handed. Just make sure your finger's up all the way. It's kind of hard to show this on camera, but you want your finger all the way up against that choil, and then when you drop it, you're on the part that's in that forward finger choil. So you're able to do this one-handed. Centering on it is good. It's a tough little knife, and triad lock is one of the toughest you can get. And I don't typically like lockbacks, but the fact that you can use this one-handed is a nice feature. Thumb studs are really good. Thickness wise, when you're looking at 5/32, it's just under a 1/4 inch. So this thing is, it is a beast. Probably the biggest folding knife I own. And it's meant to be kind of a last ditch survival kind of folding knife. Take it in the woods. The triad lock can take a lot of abuse. So if you want to baton on it, bash it through some wood, use it for other purposes, this thing will do a lot for you in a very compact package, relatively speaking. So it's about 5.5 inches when it's closed. So great little knife. Well, not little. Great big folding knife. And this is what you're after if you're into big knives, or you want to have something to kind of keep in a kit for a get home bag or something like that. It's a great option.